and telephonic services, that the satellite should be at the height of 36,000 kilometer to cover large area. Getting my point? So, one point it is clear to you that if I am using telephone and I said that broadcasting of the anything, then I should establish my satellite at a height of 36,000 kilometer to cover large area. So, in the geosynchronous earth orbit, or better to say that at the height of 36,000 kilometer, our satellite should be for telephone, broadcasting, etc. So that area coverage is, I am just one step by very small to large idea I will give you, the basic foundation, so that it is area covered by the this one. So we have been able to understand to establish any telephonic sum and all these things related, it should be established at a 36,000 kilometer height. And the next one, if I have to take a picture, I have to take pictures, then and pictures of, I said that mountains, plateaus, plains, and how much water in river, water and especially underground water, or maybe so many pictures if I am talking about so many, and it is about where is the iron ore reserve, where is the uranium reserve, where is the different kind of reserves are there. So there will be a camera. So I have to take a picture, then I need a camera. I need a high resolution camera. I need a high resolution camera. And this camera can sense even below the earth which kind of resource is there, iron is there, uranium is there, aluminum is there, copper is there, manganese is there, water, underground water is there. He can assess each and every thing. So you can understood that this camera is, like I said, that different camera. It's not a natural camera that we are having. It's in a kind of, these camera are highly sensitive, so they are taking a picture in the form of rays, UV rays, X rays, and different kind of gamma rays that they are utilizing to take in a picture. And the color, the picture we can't understand, scientists can understand, it will be in the form of different colors. So I said that I need a camera, and camera take a picture when it is closer. Camera takes a better picture when it is closer. Camera takes a better picture when it is closer. So in the low earth orbit, there will be, and I said that camera is very much important, of better frequency, so that it can take a picture. So in the low earth orbit, a camera, and this such kind of satellite having camera is known as remote sensing. Therefore satellites are known as those satellites, those who are having such camera, they are known as Indian remote sensing satellite. Indian remote sensing. Beta, just keep on studying with me. I am right now giving a knowledge. At the end of the class, you just put your query. Whosoever, if somebody is new today, they are getting the good knowledge. There is nothing I have given in the last class an overview. I have given in the last class an overview. Okay, and that is also recorded. It will be uploaded on this app on which you are watching, that you can see over there. Just listen me carefully till the class, and then at the end I will sit with you and ask whatever you are having a problem. I will resolve your problem. Just keep on listening. I said that after this class, I can say that those who are studying since 2-3 years will be better than that. So keep on following. Please request hai beta. So low earth orbit, remote sensing will be there, and Indian remote sensing satellite. So such satellites are known as Indian remote sensing satellites, and those who are very good with pictures, those who are very good with pictures. Now the next point that we are coming towards, here it is, if I need a telephonic services in the large area, telephonic services in the large area, so broadcasting in a large area, I need to establish the satellite at a 36,000 kilometer in the GEO, and we can say that these satellites are known as INSAT. Whenever you heard about INSAT or GSAT, these satellites for the telecommunication, or you can say that broadcasting, understood it? So telecommunication, and in such case I need very few satellites, not large number of satellites I need a very few satellites. Now I am coming back to, I have given about at which height, at I said that in which orbit, just interact with me, in which orbit I should send the satellite for telecommunication, in which orbit I should send the satellite for telecommunication, broadcasting, in which orbit? My question is to you, just keep on, start interacting with me. In which orbit I should establish my satellite for telecommunication and broadcasting, because we have to cover the large area, the signal should reach to the large area. Yes, tell me everyone, in which orbit? You keep on writing beta, you keep on writing, and I will send you some of the files also when space technology will get over. My question is, in which orbit? My question is, in which orbit satellites should establish for telephone services, broadcasting means telecommunication, in which orbit? Yes, in which orbit it should be? It should be in which GEO, that's good. And why it should be? You must be knowing, because we are able to send this signal of cricket match news channel to the larger area, understood? So if we are able to send, therefore I should establish my satellite, I should establish my telecommunication satellite, and it is in the GEO, and these satellites are known as INSAT, INSAT, INSAT or GSAT. It is clear to you? And next point, I said that just interact with me, I will come on to it. Another point I said that if I have, everyone is clear to you? Yeah. Next point I am asking you, everyone, I said that if I have to make a picture of, I said that river pattern of Jammu Kashmir, how do the river is moving, where I should make a dam, in the Jammu and Kashmir on the different rivers, in the Himachal Pradesh where I should make a dam, yes, and if I have to see that in the Doklam issue or any issue we have seen in the present China issue, and so my satellite should have camera, and those satellite who is making picture to take this, where it should establish, in the low earth orbit, in the medium earth orbit, or in the geosynchronous earth orbit. My question is, if I have to, next question is, my next question, just interact with me, you will get to know that, you will start enjoying it. If I have to take a better picture of river pattern in Jammu and Kashmir Himalayan region, and where I have to make a dam, we have to decide, okay, this is the reason I should make the dam, yes, and at the same time, if you know about something, some issues are there in the Ladakh region, and we have seen that there is a Pangong lake is there, where some issues are there, and they are establishing their some kind of establishment near the LSC. So which satellite will be there, we can be who can give a better picture, and we can analyze it. Which satellite, in which earth orbit, in which earth orbit and which satellite? I have said earlier, Indian remote sensing satellite, yes or not, IRS. Those satellite who takes having a camera and takes a picture, it is known as remote sensing. From the remote area it is sensing something, from the remote area it is sensing. If I have to take a picture, better picture, quality picture, better and quality picture, better and quality picture, even of I said that 2 inch, 3 inch area up to this, means I have to take in a 3 inch area, even that picture should be clear, that picture should be clear. And suppose from the Pakistan side some radars are there, they are putting the radars. Radar kya hota, what is the radar? Radar used to, through their radio waves, they able to analyze some spacecraft is coming into the air, any spacecraft, aircraft, anything who is coming, they can sense and they can give this information to their aircraft and the aircraft can hit accordingly. So their radars, to which satellite and in which orbit, which satellite, I am asking which satellite and which earth orbit I should send my satellite, in which earth orbit? For the radar of China and Pakistan, perhaps it is clear low earth orbit, yes, and these are known as IRS, Indian remote sensing. From the remote it is able to sense each and everything that is considered a remote sensing satellite. So perhaps what I want to convey you, that is clear to you. Next point, my question is, if I have and you know that if I have to, and this is I said that one